On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about dictionary operations in Python. You can learn how to define dictionaries, basic operations, how to merge dictionaries, and more by looking at sample code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. In Python, a dictionary, dict, is a collection that manages data as key-value pairs. Unlike lists, you access them by keys, not by position, making lookups and updates efficient. You can define a dictionary as follows. A dictionary is written with curly braces, separating keys and values with a colon. You can access values as follows. Specify a key to retrieve its corresponding value. You can add new items to a dictionary or update existing ones as follows. You can add a new key-value pair or update the value for an existing key. You can remove items from a dictionary as follows. Using del deletes the specified key and its value. Alternatively, use the pop method to remove an item and retrieve its value. You can check for the existence of a key in a dictionary as follows. Use the in operator to test whether a key exists in the dictionary. You can loop over a dictionary as follows. Use the items method to loop through the dictionary and process its keys and values. The items method lets you iterate over both keys and values. To get only the keys or only the values, do the following. Use the keys method to retrieve only the keys or the values method to retrieve only the values. You can copy a dictionary as follows. Use the copy method to create a copy of a dictionary. The copy method creates a shallow copy. To copy nested dictionaries, you can use copy, deep copy. You can merge dictionaries as follows. From Python 3.9 onwards, the operator can be used as a new way to merge dictionaries. On older versions, use the update method. Dictionaries are a fundamental tool for data management in Python programming. They manage data as key-value pairs and offer many advantages, including fast access, flexible updates, and easy merging. By mastering their use, you will be able to write more efficient and flexible code. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the content of this channel, please consider subscribing.